This is a super quick video to show you how to create QR codes related to systems, policies, and trainings inside SystemHUB. So the first thing to note is systems, policies, and trainings all have this share button. So when you navigate to a system, policy, or training, you'll have the ability to share. Now I'm going to go ahead and click the share button just here. And this is an external share link, meaning that you don't need to be logged into SystemHUB to see this particular system. So as an example, I'm going to go ahead and just open this in a new window here, and I'm going to copy that URL, and you can see this is what it would look like. Now you can take that external URL and head to something like qr-code-generator.com, or if you just Google free online QR code generator, then all you need to do is you come in, you drop the URL, which I've just posted the full URL just here, and what it's done is it's created the QR code over here. Now you can download that straight away, you can screenshot it, you can do whatever you want with it, and that means that you could then have it printed out as a sticker or on a bit of paper and then stick it on wherever you think it might be most helpful. And then how might that work in the real world? Well, someone, when they're looking to find a system or a process, let's say you've stuck how to set up this printer and you link to the SystemHUB system, you've created a QR code, you've printed it out, and you've stuck it to the printer. Then someone can just scan that QR code on their phone, and when they scan it on the phone, it will take them to the external share link, which is this one here, and very quickly they could figure out what are the key steps, or if there's a video related they could watch to it. It's just a great way to kind of make it really easy, particularly for non-tech savvy team members, or even if you just want to make things a little bit more efficient in how it's found. That's a great way to achieve that result. One other thing, if you want to password protect it, you can also just grab the normal system link up here. It doesn't have to be external share. These URLs up here, every system, policy, or training all have their own custom URL, meaning you can go to a system or a process, and I'll just find this one here, and you would literally just copy that and you go through the same process. You could then post that into your QR code generator. Now, what does that mean? When the person scans it, they're required to log into SystemHUB to be able to see it, and their logins also needs to have the rights to see the appropriate system. So again, depending on the level of security and the level of sensitivity, I generally think, reducing friction and making it as easy as possible is always the best way to go. So 9 times out of 10, just grabbing an external share link is a great way to go. Anyway, there are some ideas on how you can use QR codes inside SystemHUB to make the generation of QR codes and finding systems even easier.